I'm not getting it. You know, you go to church.
Buddhists, when you was practicing Buddhism, do they practice the principles of Ma'at?
Yeah, and
But they don't call it that. They call it something else.
Yeah, well, Buddhism started in, you know, the original Buddha was black, okay?
But that's
when I was practicing, I realized that I was practicing through my, you know, what it is, the philosophy and the teaching. I was more of a Christian than them Christians, because I was on my knees praying every day in a posturing position.
You know what? I just had a thought, a vision. You know what that just triggered in my mind? What that just triggered?
What's that? What's that?
It's like when I just have the vision and seeing us, billions of us, on our knees, praying. And people been doing that, you know, when I was coming up, you know, the last 30, 40 years, that's the way it was taught, right? And that's what people did. But I see now, it's like all that time, people been down on their knees praying, and shit has gotten so worse. It's a shame. So I'm like, what happened? You know, at least when they tell you when you pray like that in Christianity, when you do that, that you will prosper and be successful, yet we are not prospering. But the real deal is, when you really come into knowledge of yourself in this world, become successful in knowing self and being prepared to be that which I am, and call a spade a spade. And if the spade is Ma'at, then that's what I'm going to call it. I'm not going to call it anything else that is currently confused with other shit. I'm not going to do that.
Right.
Whether it was Christianity, Jehovah's Witness, Buddha, if they were all really practicing Ma'at but calling it something different, I came into the knowledge of self, and that is where my quote-unquote success is at. A lot of Christians, however, and people who've been on their knees praying to Jesus and other sort of gods and energy, black life has gotten worse. I mean, I think I can say that pretty accurately, and that there are many people who would support that. People have written books just in the last 5 years actually supporting that. Dying While Black, the new Jim Crow with Michelle Alexander, Charles Hussein and his work. There's just has just been an explosion of scientific proof and research proof showing that the mental, emotional, and behavioral lives of African descendants has deteriorated to an all-time low. So we've gotten worse despite all of them mamas and grandmamas and minister preacher brothers with all the goddamn praying and funding that's been going on, and look at the damn conditions that we are in now. I just kind of like, that seems something that's interesting. Wow. I wonder how and why that happened. What does that really mean? Is there something else going on here? You know, like, what's up with that?
Right. I understand. Makes sense to me.